Hello guys, welcome back to my channel CA Minds Easy CA Coaching. This is the continuation of the previous video where we started our new subject business commercial knowledge. Let's discuss about the topic characteristics of economic activities. Before we go into the topic, let us know what are economic activities and non-economic activities. So, what are economic activities? In our daily life, we make so many economic as well as non-economic activities. Economic activities are like we purchase food grains, wheat, any other food item or mobile phone, groceries, etc. Well, when we come to the topic of non-economic activities, it may comprise of praying to God, donating some money or food to poor people, etc. But don't think that non-economic activities are only for are only made for selflessness. Even non-economic activities have an economic dimension. Well, what's the reason behind my statement? Even non-economic activities have an economic dimension. Well, let us assume a person A who is an entrepreneur of the firm ABC. He donates some free samples in order to make some non-economic activity and also to for the welfare of the poor people, and he has also an economic objective that he has to reach his company to all people by making such non-economic activities. So this is the reason to support the statement. Well, the characteristics of economic activities. Here we go. Economic activities are income generating. We humans may earn a livelihood by getting employed in a software job or any other job. We also receive some money. With that money, we also purchase, sell, etc. So this is an income generating. So economic activities are income generating. So you may get a doubt. Economic activities are of monetary terms or it can be in any kind. They can be of both. So let us take an example to understand this. For example, a landowner may compensate the tiller of the land in the form of food grains. The nomadic pastors who brought their herds to graze the stubs left of the harvest were often paid in the form of food grains. How much each factor will earn? The factors earn according to their contribution to the production. Here, their income is what they get. So here, the income of the nomadic pastors is received in the form of food grain. So income can be of kind or in monetary terms. So the second point, economic activities are productive. Man cannot create matter, but he can process the matter which is produced on the mother earth, and he can make it into finished goods. So economic activities are productive. Teaching, medicine, law, accountancy are all productive activities. Production may be done either for subsistence, that is self-consumption, or for market. Production represents the supply side of economics. Even consumption is also an economic activity. How? Well, let us see. There is an employee who earns a salary of 30,000. He purchases some medicines, food, and other items which are essential for his household. So when he is healthy, the nation is healthy. So consumption is also an economic activity. Different products compete for buyers' attention and spending. In fact, every unit of demand is like a vote in favor of product and signal to its producer. Savings, investment, and wealth is also another economic factor. Unspent income comprises savings. Those savings are made in banks or in financial companies, mutual funds, chit funds, etc., which can also be converted into wealth in some point of time. It also comprises of economic activity and also contribute to for the benefits made by the economic activities. So the video ends here. Like, share and subscribe.